Hello everyone, you are watching CRS News. Sigma Public School, we are talking about the best school in the area Majorganj, Raebareli. Here students enjoy learning via activities, projects, smart digital classes, fest and many more. Talking about our toddlers and preschools, they adore this beautiful and happy environment because we choose the finest talented teachers from them who not.
Now I will stand in Sigma Public School, Bejurgan, Raebareli. So firstly I have to give you the qualities, best education, given a best opportunity. So first of all, is new admission is going on in Sigma Public School, and 2025 admission is going on here. So anybody want to take for admission in Sigma Public School, Majorgan. So first of all, small kids are with me, and let's talk about what is the best quality of the school. Let's talk about two children. Introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Zainab Khan. I am 9 years old and studying class 4th. I live in Jaryali.
What do you want to be?
I want to be doctor.
Why are you studying in Sigma?
I am studying in Sigma Public School because this school provides quality education and teachers are very caring and hardworking.
Introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, myself Anubhavi and I am a student of class 6. I am 11 years old. My school name is Sigma Public School.
Why are you studying in Sigma?
I study in Sigma Public School because this school provides best quality education and teachers are very caring and hardworking.
In the future, what do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
The Prime Minister of India is Mr. Narendra Damodar Das
Who
Modi.
is the Chief Minister of UP?
The Chief Minister of UP is Mr. Yogi Adityanath.
What is the capital of UP?
Capital of UP is Lucknow.
Capital of India.
Capital of India is Delhi.
कैसे पढ़ाई होती है बच्चों को? टीचर कैसे पढ़ाते हैं? अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं. Introduce yourself.
My name is Ramfaza. I am 15 years old. I am a student of class 10th in Sigma Public School. I am belong to Majorganj and I am crazy about studying and playing of badminton.
So why studying in Sigma?
I study in Sigma Public School because this school provides quality education and teachers are very caring and hardworking. My school is the best school.
So what do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
So who is the Prime Minister of India?
The Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi.
Who is the Chief Minister of UP?
Yogi Adityanath.
Who is the President of India?
Mrs. Draupadi Murmu.
So what is the capital of UP?
Lucknow.
Capital of India.
New Delhi.
कौन सा फेवरेट आपका टीचर है स्कूल?
My favorite teacher is Raghvendra sir.
क्या क्वालिटीज लगती है, किस तरीके से स्टडीज करते हैं?
वो किसी भी चीज़ को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. वो बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ट्रीट करते हैं.
कब से आप पढ़ रहे हो यहाँ पे?
मैं यहाँ से जब से स्कूल ओपन हुआ है मैं जब से यहाँ पढ़ रही हूँ.
क्या कैसा लगा स्कूल में पढ़कर?
मुझे इस स्कूल में पढ़ के बहुत अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि इस स्कूल में टीचर्स भी अच्छे होते हैं. यहाँ के मैनेजर जो हैं वो बच्चों को मैनेज भी अच्छी तरीके से करते हैं और भी बहुत सी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मेरे स्कूल में मिलती हैं.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Srishti Maurya and I am a student of class 9th.
Why studying in Sigma?
I study in Sigma Public School because this school provides quality and education and teachers are very caring and hardworking.
So what do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
The Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi.
Who is the Chief Minister of UP?
The Chief Minister of UP is Yogi Adityanath.
Who is the President of India?
The President of India is Mrs. Draupadi Murmu.
What is the capital of UP?
The capital of UP is Lucknow.
Capital of India?
The capital of India is New Delhi.
क्या लगता है सबसे अच्छी क्वालिटी आपको स्कूल पे क्या लगती है?
सर टीचर्स बहुत अच्छा.
कब से पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं?
जब से स्कूल ओपन.
गिवन में आपको मार्क्स अगर दिया जाएगा सिग्मा को तो कितना परसेंटेज देना, कितना मार्क्स देना चाहिए? 100, 90, 80? 90%। कैसे आप स्कूल आते हो, किस तरीके से स्कूल में जब टीचर आपको पढ़ाते हैं तो कैसा माइंड मेकअप रहता है? क्वेश्चंस अच्छे आते हैं, समझ में आ जाते फर्स्ट टाइम?
यस सर,
कौन सी क्लास में हो?
9th।
9th। स्टार्टिंग से ही पढ़ रहे हो?
यस सर।
क्या कहना चाहोगे, क्या माँ बाप को क्या कहना चाहोगे? कुछ संदेश देना चाहोगे कि लाइफ में क्या बनना है, क्या गोल है?
सर लाइफ में मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है।
इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Hello everyone, myself Nancy. I study in class 8. I'm 14 years old. I study in Sigma Public School.
Why studying in Sigma?
I study in Sigma Public School because this school provides highly education and their teachers are very caring and hardworking.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a defense officer.
Who is the Chief Minister of UP?
Mr. Yogi Adityanath,
What is the capital of UP?
Lucknow,
Capital of India?
New Delhi.
What is the President of India?
Mr. Draupadi Murmu.
क्या लग रहा है कि अभी तक जिस तरीके से आपने स्कूल में पढ़ी है, कैसा फील कर रही हैं, कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं?
So very good.
वेरी गुड। कब से स्कूल में पढ़ाई कर रही हैं?
So study.
टीचर का क्या रोल रहता
So
है?
teachers are very good.
टीचर
They are
का-
caring and hardworking.
कौन सी क्लास में है?
So
8th में। क्या गोल्स की लाइफ में?
defense officer.
डिफेंस ऑफिसर। बेस्ट ऑफ लक। इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Myself is Swari and I am 12 years old. Basically, I am from India.
Why studying Sigma?
I study in Sigma Public School because their teachers are very caring and hardworking. In this area, the Sigma Public School is very best school.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a MBBS doctor because I want to see big and
Capital of UP.
the capital of UP is Lucknow.
Capital of India.
Capital of India is New Delhi.
Who is the Chief Minister of UP?
Yogi Adityanath.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Mr. Narendra Modi Das.
Who is the President of India?
Mrs. Draupadi Murmu.
क्या लग रहा है फील आप इतने सालों से यहाँ से पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, क्या मार्क्स देना चाहेंगे? किस यहाँ से पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, क्या मार्क्स देना चाहेंगे? किस तरीके से टीचर आपको ट्रीट करते हैं, किस तरीके से पढ़ाई होती है?
सर यहाँ पे टीचर्स बहुत गुड तरीके से ट्रीट करते हैं, मतलब जो चीज़ नहीं समझ में आ रही है जो वो हम लोग को 1 टाइम नहीं 100 टाइम समझाएंगे जब तक आप लोग को समझ में नहीं आए। 100 में से मैं अपने स्कूल को 98%।
इसके अलावा क्या स्टडी प्रेयर किस टाइम होती है और किस टाइम आपका ऑफिस स्कूल से छुट्टी होती है?
सर स्कूल से छुट्टी हम लोगों की 1:45 तक हो जाती
1:45। इन विच क्लास में?
है। मैं 9।
इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Good morning everyone. My name is Asad Khan. I study in class 7th. I am 13 year old. I live in Jajari.
Why studying in Sigma?
I study in Sigma Public School because this school provides quality education and their teachers caring and hardworking.
So what do you want to do?
I want to be a businessman.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Mr. Narendra Modi.
Who is the Chief Minister of UP?
Mr. Yogi Adityanath.
Who is the President of India?
Mrs. Draupadi Murmu.
Capital of UP?
Lucknow.
Capital of India?
New Delhi.
क्या रिमार्क देना चाहेंगे? इतने सालों से पढ़ रहे हैं, क्या लग रहा है कि इसी स्कूल से पढ़कर हम आगे कुछ करना चाहते हैं, तो कब तक किस क्लास तक आप यहाँ पे पढ़ाई करना चाहते हैं?
सर इस स्कूल में हम 10th तक पढ़ाई करना चाहते हैं।
10th तक करना चाह रहे हैं, क्या रूल्स क्या गोल्स है?
सर मेरा गोल्स है बिजनेसमैन का।
क्या रिमार्क्स स्कूल के टीचरों को देना चाहेंगे कि किस तरीके से आपको टीचर्स पढ़ाते हैं?
सर टीचर्स बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाते हैं, जो चीज़ समझ में नहीं आती वो हम लोग को समझाते हैं, इस वजह से हम 95% देना चाहते हैं।
94% देना चाहते हैं।
यस सर।
इसके अलावा आप कितने बजे स्कूल यहाँ पे आते हैं?
इस स्कूल में हम 8 बजे आते हैं।
क्या प्रेयर का क्या रूल है, किस टाइम प्रेयर होती है?
प्रेयर का रूल है 8 बजे।
इंग्लिश क्लास में
आई स्टडी क्लास 7।
So you can see here there is a Sigma. So first of all in Majorganj Raebareli. So let's talk about given best qualities, best educations. So मैं फरहान सिद्दीकी CRS News Raebareli. Introduce yourself, sir.
My name is Raghavendra Kumar. I teach in Sigma Public School. I belong to Raebareli.
So how are children educated in Sigma Public School?
In my view, this school is the best modernized with the English medium school for the regional area. Now I will do the best entire development as possible as for the student for their academic career.
How do you view in Sigma Public School?
In Sigma Public School, school provides best education quality and their teachers are caring and supportable.
Ma'am, introduce yourself.
Myself, Anupa Srivastav. I belongs to Raebareli. I am working here as a principal.
Ma'am, how do you view in Sigma Public School?
Actually, here the schooling and teaching standard, the board standard, I got the very high. So, I started to do work here, and it is in this area. As I saw that this school provides the students a very quality education, and it is the best for the students also.
Ma'am, how are children educated in Sigma Public School?
The teachers are very learned teachers here, and they are working hard with the students. Those who are unable to study properly at home, they help them here that they can develop their study, they can improve their study, and teachers, they are watching them, their all around development also as curriculum, extra curriculum, and whatever they have talent, teachers are trying that they may show their talent and exhibit a very best way in school.
What is the message to all children?
This is the message that for the students, especially, they must hard for the study, and they read and learn much more. How much they will read, they can get all the things, and how much they learn, they can learn the things in their make a good future.
How many times you principal here?
And last year I came here in March 24, and from that day I am doing here, and I felt very nice here.
So introduce yourself.
Myself, I am Nur Mohammed. I belong to Raebareli. My message to the student is that today they are acquiring the education. They should concentrate their mind not to information of the books and their chapters, but they should produce a new creative ideas from the chapter. Secondly, they should raise up their mind by intellectual power, whatever given the chapters. So many subjects are told by your teachers. You first acquire the message of the chapter, whatever moral, whatever maths, whatever English, and whatever science. So I would like to all of the students of the Sigma Public School to increase the intellectual power by their study. It is the source of a new ideas. A new idea come with the study of continuity and study to getting the intellectual information from the study. So the aim of education should be very spread. They should acquire the wide ideas, wide prospect after study the subject. Because aim of education is not only fill the data and information in the mind, but reach up the intellectual power. This is very necessary, and this is very essential for every student. What they may be belong to the junior as well as senior.
Sigma Public School. We are talking about the best school in the area, Majorganj, Raebareli. Here, students enjoy learning via activities, projects, smart digital classes, fests, and many more. Talking about our toddlers and preschoolers, they adore this beautiful and happy environment because we choose the finest talented teachers for them who not only make them know about their books but also put a big piece of their attention on the overall development of child, leading to better etiquette, healthy habits and routine, interactive games for better physical health, fun activities regarding their subjects, and this all makes them feel that their studies are the most intriguing thing. Our elementary students, the new mind of our school, who never disappoint us with their creativity in fest, science project, art forms, camps, music and dance, festive decorations in a school, and many more. So, we choose the most creative and innovative teachers to help their new mind with innovations and new directions of learning, making a space for a bunch of streams in their overall development, be it by digital classes, creativity camps, sports, and competition in multiple skills, such as writing competition, elocutions, storytellings, and many more. We choose the best for you and your children, as the development of your children is our priority.